I don't have a lower right leg, so I learned to walk using a prosthetic. It works great when I'm out and about, but at home, it's more comfortable to use my wheelchair. The problem is when I'm in the wheelchair, my hands are always busy pushing the wheels. Carrying things, especially a drink, is tough. Sure, you can buy wheelchair cup holders, but I wanted to design and build one myself. I started by looking for some PVC tubing that could hold my cup, but nothing was quite the right size. Eventually, I found a 3-inch DMV coupling that fit perfectly. I grabbed 2 long hose clamps and used my Dremel to cut 4 narrow slots into the sides of the coupling, about half an inch apart. After cutting, I cleaned up the edges and removed any burrs or rough spots. Then I used some 400 grit sandpaper to scuff up the surface both inside and out so the paint would stick better. I threaded the hose clamps through the slots and hit it with a few coats of flat black spray paint to match my wheelchair. Once it was dry, I wrapped the clamps around one of the vertical legs of my chair and tightened everything up, making sure the cup holder stayed parallel and secure. I did scratch it a little during the install, but I'll touch that up later after I've tested it for a while and made any final adjustments. The whole thing cost me about $2 since I already had the paint. It took maybe a couple of hours from start to finish. Now I can roll around the house with my coffee and keep both hands free. It's simple, it works, and I built it myself.